Hi everybody, it's David again with Elongator Tailgates. In the last video I showed you how to use this folding extension in the level position to make it easy for you to launch and retrieve your boat. Well, now I'm going to show you something else you can do with it. Let's say you have a situation like this where you have a longer load of boxes or cargo or equipment or whatever, an ATV, a motorcycle, and it's kind of sitting out on the back of the tailgate and you worry about this load shifting and kind of coming out. You don't want that. Now you've strapped it down as you normally do, but you're still a little concerned about it. So what I'm going to do is show you how to use the folding extension as a barrier to keep that from happening. I'm just going to put the extension up in this position. Now I've got a barrier that's almost 50-something inches wide and almost 2 feet tall. And what I'm going to do is use a ratchet strap to attach it through these donut holes in the extension and attach it to the hard point in the truck. So, take my ratchet strap, put it through here, hook it onto the little donut in the extension there. So now all I'm going to do is crank it down. And it's going to pull that extension onto the load and keep it from moving. Now, of course, I could do this on both sides or as many times as I needed to, but the point is I've got a nice, strong barrier that's going to keep this load from moving. This extension is just one more reason you need an Elongator tailgate on your truck. It's not just about ramps, it's not just about long loads, it's about all the things you can do with this tailgate once you have it.
Elongator Tailgates, built for more.